So this region, basically, we're going to give a name. Okay, so I'm going to rename this region as cell products. Cell hairs is the region of hairs, and the regions of regions is cell regions. Okay, that's great. Now I'm going to my Visual Basic editor. Okay, sheet 3 is so if I application intersect active cell, and then in square brackets I'm gonna type cell years. That means that my cell is here in cell years. Okay, I will have that this value here, this value here picked is equal to active cell. I need to include into square brackets to represent the range. Okay, double quotes the name of this or this name, or otherwise in square brackets. And then, okay, now you see that we have our dynamic effect. Okay, I'm going to copy the same and do an else if cell products. Okay, then that means that you see now I'm changing the product here. Okay, just changing all this graph on the left side, and here also the selected one here. Now I'm going to do the same for the region. I copy this to the simple Visual Basic function. I can see now the change, all regions or north or south. So I created an amazing interactive chart just with a few functions. So I'm using some the other not applicable. Okay, because I'm gonna update the value here, they are going to update all the values here. So these are fixed, and I'm going to update. To get the values that I need. And here I have my table, so I create this graph to be region I'm going to display not applicable. So these are the same, only that I'm not going to display the non-selected region. But I have also another graph which is also composed of not applicable values of items, and only one has a value, which is the one that is selected, exactly this one. I'm creating a very interactive chart, as you can see here. Now I can also change the color of this, solid. I'm gonna type this black, north, like this. For north, we can also change the color. Okay, I'm going to, you name it. Okay, north, south. The same as for this, north and south. Okay, this let me see, and then you can work on the formatting of this. I want to stop here because I want you to continue this exercise and do all the necessary formatting and create your own amazing dashboard. Okay.